Hey, it's Klaus from CarExamer. I'm reaching out to all of the assassin mechanics, all of the great mechanics with great attitude who are positive and are willing to help. Join up, you will make it great. If you want to help, you're positive, it's for you. If you always say yes you can, CarExamer.com is for you. If you're negative, don't apply, it's not going to work for you. If you can't do something, you don't want to do something, again, this place is not for you. All of the great people, all of the mechanics around the UK, garages around the UK, if you're great, you can, you want to do it, this place is for you. If you're ethical, we welcoming you. We need help around the UK, Manchester, Leeds, Wales, Cardiff, Scotland, Hull, Kings Lynn. We need your help, we need your help. The people need your help. Create your own great new career, If you love cars, love people, it's for you. Talk to me, reach out, hi at CarExamer.com or CarExamer.com/join us.